Alright guys, welcome to Monday's direction slash attendance video. Today, pretty simple day. Getting our week started with, I would say, something that's pretty simple. We're still kind of focusing on the introduction stuff of all the geography. So what we're looking at today is map types. So maybe not the most exciting thing. Just some basic stuff that we have to know in real life. Okay, because at some point you're gonna have to be able to read a map. So we got a couple different types here, especially the ones that geographers use. So obviously that's what we're gonna kind of focus on here. It's really the only assignment today. At the end of this presentation, there's like a little bit of a quiz, and so just fill your answers out on a Google Doc and then turn it in. All right, you can use the slideshow to help you out. If you take notes, you can use notes to help you out. So it's not like it's like a super tough quiz because you have the notes right here. So basically, what we're gonna do is just kind of go through anything that's red is what I want you to write down because that's what the test questions are. Okay, that'll help you answer them. So make sure you have those down in your notes. So when we take our quiz, maybe later this week or the next week, you have all the information you need, especially the critical stuff. So things in red, jot it down. Like for example, on this slide, you would just jot down these two things in your notes, and these are just here to help you out. But these aren't going to be on the quiz or test. So if you don't want to write those down, you don't have to. Okay, so that's up to you. So as you can see, it kind of just goes through the different types of maps that are in the world, climate maps, religion maps, resource maps. So we'll kind of go through these again, just jot all these things down. And then here's the quiz. So this is, you'll need to answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 questions on a Google Doc. And once you have answered your questions, just turn it in then on this assignment, the types of maps. And again, you can use the notes, no big deal. A little review if you need some help with that, kind of self-assessment pieces. And if you, this is what we're going to do afterwards. We're going to kind of play this countries of the world game, just see who can kind of guess and who can name the most countries. So if you're at home, obviously you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but that's what we're going to be doing here and kind of doing some competitions with that. So that's this. That's Monday. And we'll probably be taking a quiz here shortly, so we might review tomorrow or something like that. Just keep an eye out, and obviously this will be the attendance piece too, so don't forget to say that you are here so I can mark you guys present. But that's all I got, guys. It's going to be a pretty easy Monday, I feel like. So I'll see you guys Tuesday, or if you're full online, I will see you in one of these videos tomorrow. See ya!